Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram story posts on highlights. Before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications from us. To add story highlights, you'll need to log into Instagram app first. Make sure you have it on your device. If you don't, go to your Play Store or your App Store and download it first. Tap open the app and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, from the Instagram home screen, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, from your profile, tap on the plus sign. Plus sign is located at the upper right corner of the screen. Now, under Create New, tap on Story Highlight. Tap on the story or stories you want to add to highlights. After you do that, tap on the next button at the upper right corner. Choose a cover photo by tapping on the picture. For cover photos, you can also choose one from your gallery. Tap on this gallery button and select the picture of your choice. Once you do that, tap on Done at the upper right, and after you have changed the cover, enter a story name for your highlight and tap on Done at the upper right. You can add more photos or videos to your highlight anytime by tapping and holding the highlight and then tapping Edit Highlight. Just like this, you can tap on Edit Highlight and add more to the cover. Add more by tapping on Add and selecting the picture and tapping on Done at the upper right. You can see that more pictures has been added in the highlight. That is how you can add Instagram story posts on highlights. Remember that the stories you add as highlights will remain visible as highlights until you remove them. Contacts that you've allowed to see your story can also see your highlights from your profile. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.